In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wall opening in Revit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to cut a clean, precisely sized, rectangular opening in a wall using the built-in wall opening tool. This is perfect for door rough-ins, pass-throughs, or coordination with MEP penetrations when you don't need a fully hosted family. First, head to the Architecture tab and choose Wall Opening. Depending on your version and workspace, you'll find it grouped with other opening or void tools. Before you click it, make sure you're in a view where the wall is clearly visible. Plan or elevation both work well, so you can see snaps and dimensions as you sketch. If you're working in a busy model, turning on thin lines and using a clean view can make placement easier. Next, click the wall you want to cut. You're essentially telling Revit which wall will host the opening. If your cursor highlights multiple overlapping elements, tap the Tab key to cycle through until the correct wall is pre-selected, then click. If the wall isn't selectable, check that the view isn't cropped too tightly and that the wall isn't locked by a design option or work set permissions. Once the wall is selected, you'll enter sketch mode, choose the rectangle sketch tool, then click to set the first corner of your opening and click again for the opposite corner. Use the temporary dimensions that appear to dial in exact width and height. Just click the blue dimension text and type a value. Snaps will help you align to levels, grids, or nearby geometry. If you need the bottom of the opening to align with a level or a finished floor, snap directly to that reference while placing the rectangle. You can also drag the grips to nudge the sketch into position. Keep an eye on the context. Structural walls, finishes, and adjacent elements may dictate minimum clearances or placement rules. If you see the rectangle turn red, it's a constraint or overlap warning. Simply adjust the corners until the sketch is valid. When your rectangle looks right, click Finish to complete the sketch. Revit will cut the wall immediately. If the opening doesn't appear as expected, double check that the view's detail level and cut plane allow you to see it. Remember, this is a basic void cut. It doesn't include frames or trim like a door or window family would. If you need to tweak size or position later, select the opening and choose Edit Sketch, or use the grips and dimensions to refine it. That's all there is to it. Simple, accurate, and fully editable.